Big welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well, guys. Can you believe it? Breaking news: US lawmakers file SEC Stabilization Act to fire Gary Gensler. Could this finally be light at the end of the tunnel for this horrible disaster with the SEC crisis? I really hope so. Overall, looking at crypto, we can see we're still sitting over $1 trillion worth in terms of the crypto markets. We did lose a huge amount of valuation of altcoins, but I think, long term, the speculation, we're looking rather optimistic. So today we're going to look at the SUI or SUI price prediction. This is a new blockchain ecosystem, a completely new chain, and I think it's really, really cool. And right now, as a layer one, looking at this particular price action, I think we are early. So what we saw over here was, of course, the launch, the hype around the launch. It was also very early May when we can see this listing on CoinMarketCap, where we also had the meme coin season. So things were looking bullish. Bitcoin is climbing the $30,000. So naturally we are seeing that downtrend. What really excites me is we have not yet seen this coin within a bull market environment, a true bull market where everything is in an uptrend. So I think we're very, very early looking at this coin right now, with it only being like a rank 80 coin. So $432 million market capitalization, a 10x would take it to basically 4 billion. 100x would be 40 billion. So even a 100x is not out of the picture for this particular coin. Now we can see the total supply is actually 10 billion tokens. So at the moment there's only 600 million in circulation versus that 10 billion, which could of course be quite bad if, I don't know how the tokenomics work here and how they inject supply, circulating supply, but if that went up to say 50% or did a 10x in supply, it would actually reduce the price also by, a significant amount. So there would be a shock factor there. So we can see 71 cents at the moment. Good week for the SUI token. We're going to look at some trade analysis as well and some signals on this coin. We can also see some predictions for this coin. So 2025, this particular analyst thinks $1.58, and then we're going to see 2030 of a $10 price prediction, 2032 a $22 per SUI token. That is absolutely crazy from the current price level. So this is the website right here. SUI is an innovative decentralized layer one blockchain that redefines asset ownership. So never seen this one before. SUI Move feels like a paradigm change in Web3 development. Treating objects as first-class citizens brings composability to a whole new level. So infinite scalability, that's really, really important. Super fast TPS, very, very low fees, and the fees also don't spike at all depending on the network sort of congestion and the network use, just like Ethereum. So super bullish. 106.5k followers on the Twitter page as well, and you can see they are marketing really strong. They're attending events. Really, it reminds me of all the layer ones out there, the other scalability sort of ecosystems that are also designed and tailored for developers to start building dApps and other DeFi protocols. So I think this is a massive untapped era of the cryptocurrency, and we're going to see something go crazy in the future for this particular coin. Of course, not financial advice. So we'll look at some price action, guys. Remember to also be joining the Discord channel down below and get in on our crypto signals and calls. So far we've got 439 patrons. You can become a crypto hunter, a crypto warrior, a crypto champion, or a crypto legend. There's only 4 slots of the crypto legend available, and you're going to get all of these juicy benefits. You're going to get tons of spot trade signals, leverage trade signals, early access to pre-sales, whitelistings. You're going to get 7 technical analysts for the trading signals, a free ebook, Glassnode on-chain data, private messaging. You're going to get all of this good stuff if you really, really want it, guys. And the link to the Patreon is just down below, so please do check that out. It helps the channel grow, the community, and of course the Discord community as well, which got over 13,700 members. So please check out the Discord and Patreon down below. What we can see is the SUI or SUI token. How do you say this? I really need to know. Has bottomed out. It looks like it really bottomed out now. The bottom price was around the 0.53. Around this particular level. So really a nice dollar cost average, and if you did get lucky enough to scoop some up following that SEC carnage, you'd now be up a very generous looking 40%. I do think a large amount of resistance is around that $1 psychological barrier, but there is still every chance that we could see this particular token recover back to that particular level over there. So we might see a bit of downtrend still, we might correct, we might even form a double bottom bullish reversal pattern, something like this. It would be really good if it happened. around. I'm not entirely sure. But ideally the trajectory would be that $1 target, and looking into 2025 onwards, we already saw those very, very bullish looking price predictions. But really, I think for the next crypto bull run, a good place to start for this coin would be around the $3 mark, which isn't really asking for much for, you know, from a coin of so much potential, in my honest opinion. So 20-day EMA sitting under that on the daily. See on the 4-hour time frame we are now over it, and potentially looking at further continuation to the upside. We are stuck in an uptrend, but this might start to sort of look like a rising wedge. It's really hard to say. We're seeing this amazing structure of support, so if this coin can hold this particular support level, I really hope that it can. We might see some continuation, but some would also argue that we are seeing a bit of a rising wedge. I personally think it's more of an ascending channel here, a bit of a broadening ascending channel, but we are seeing that increased resistance levels and continuous rejection for this particular coin right here. So fingers crossed we can hold the support of 69 cents and we won't lose this 20-day moving average, but it's very possible that we do. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, we are very overextended as well, sitting at the top of the Bollinger Band, so we're pretty overshot already, but we could, maybe see something good happen here in the short term. So fingers crossed, going to see some nice plays here for the SUI token. Obviously, the SEC on the 9th of June created a massive flood of red candles. It actually corrected from 71 cents, so it's almost made a full recovery back to the previous price. Update for the AI Dojas. Remember, if you're holding this token from the pre-sale, the claim and listing exchange date is on June 19, so last chance to buy now. If you wish, you can head on over, which is really cool. I can't wait to see what's going to happen. Hopefully I'm going to make some money there, as well as you guys too that got into this particular coin. There is of course the Wall Street memes token as well, which has now raised $6.6 million. This one is crazy. Elon Musk even interacted with the community, so it's worth taking a look at this particular token as well. If you are someone that likes meme coins, hype coins, high risk, high reward tokens, there is the Wall Street memes token down below. You can check it out. One WSM token is $0.0286, and it can be bought on the BEP20 or ERC20 network. Just don't risk more than you can afford to lose. And remember, this is not financial advice. You've got to do your own research. But honestly, this coin is oozing with potential. There's going to be a lot of fun stuff. They've got a roadmap, they've got a white paper already, the tokenomics already listed out, and ambassadors too. So lots of eyes on this particular coin. Anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the space, subscribe, like, comment. Let's get this channel to 20,000 subscribers. Fingers crossed, we can keep on growing together, learning together, sharing insights in the Discord. And if you have any sort of questions, feel free to comment down below on your favorite coins, or what sort of things you want to discover next in cryptocurrency. But really, the Discord is the place to do that, where we have all the members there. We've got the moderators, you've got myself that you can engage with, and just all kind of hang out within the crypto environment in this bear market, because we're all in it together. We're all in this bear phase together, so hopefully we make it on through. See you later, guys.